All right, hello. Evan Sittler, CEO of Expert VR here. Very excited because the MetaQuest Pro just came in the mail. I was going to open it up, but it has a nice box, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing here, show you what comes in the package, and then I'll shoot another video afterwards showing my first impressions with the Quest Pro. So first off, love when a company includes these types of tabs, so it's nice and simple to rip open packaging here. Dive into it. Meta kind of follows that Apple-like packaging, all very tight and clean. Very nice to slide off the cover there. So yeah, MetaQuest Pro, the 256 gig, it's the only version they have available at the moment. And then it comes with a charging dock and controllers. Let's jump into it. So we got the Meta logo on there. Used to be the Oculus logo, but still the same nice box design. Open it up. All right, what we got on the top here, we just got the nice cutout for the headset, and then I believe on the side we got the protective cover. Oh, okay, so this is for keeping the headset protected on the go. Didn't know it came with that cover, so that's a nice feature. Oh my god, this is so cool. All right, so we got the MetaQuest Pro here. Feels and looks, having it in my hand, very similar to like a HoloLens type design, without the head strap over the top and everything. So what we got inside here, we just got your basic instructions. If I can get it off. Got your basic instructions. This is how you use the controllers, adjust the headset, how to power it on, power it off. See if the audio can pick up that nice pull off here. Some nice ASMR maybe. Opening up the lenses. Before we boot that up, look here. Ooh, got the new controllers. They got some weight to them, but I really like that. Just picking them up first time, it's like, these aren't something you won't feel in your hand or that you're gonna throw across the room. It has a really nice weight to it, very small. I can reach all of the buttons here. Same as a Quest controller where the buttons are, but you can see here, see the camera on the sides there and on the top. So that way, instead of using the cameras on the headset to track the controllers, it's using the cameras on the controllers to track the headset and where you are. So you can put your hands behind your back and your controllers would still be tracked. These do have little computers built into them for that reason. So it looks like you have to power those on and off as well, meaning that there is no replaceable battery. These have to go on the charging dock to charge. You can see on the sides there, the little charging connectors. All right, so if you like the ASMR, let's see if we can get that in there. All right. And I'm super excited to dive in here, but let's look at the back half of this package first. I'm assuming this is your charging bay. So nice MetaQuest Pro on there. Inside this box we got a good USB-C power block. Looks nice. And then we got a USB charging dock cord here, as well as a cord for the controllers. And all of your little booklets and all of that jazz, as well as a microfiber cloth, always nice. All right, and I'm guessing then the dock would be underneath here. So let's set down the controllers and the headset for a second. And then right in the middle, I'll show you here. So this is with the headset out, right in the middle here. Pull up that middle piece, and there is the charging dock. Right, very nice. I like this weight and simplicity of this kind of plate design that the headset and the controllers can all sit on at once. You can see the controllers go on the back there and headset on the front, and those cables I was just showing to attach to everything. And, ooh, very nice. Liking everything so far, if I do say so myself. And then you've got the light protectors underneath that. So these just, I'm assuming, I'll play around with it, just kind of clip pretty easily into the side of the headset so that you have those blockers for light. There's a full face one coming out. I don't believe it's out yet, and it does cost some extra money for the cost of this headset, being about $2,600 Canadian. I kind of would have liked to see the full face blocker included, just an extra piece of rubber. It probably doesn't cost them that much. I don't know, $2,600, you would think they could include that, but at least some sort of light cover there. All right, like I said, I will do a full impressions video, and I'm gonna be demoing this with lots of people, I'm sure, over the coming week and months. Lots of things I'm excited to play around with, but let's just boot it up, see if it boots on right from out of package. If I can see, so we got volume on your right side and power on your left. It's not on the bottom of the headset anymore or on the sides, it's on the strap here. So I got glasses on. I know this was a question. Seems to fit with glasses. Oh, really like how that tightens. It doesn't, the lenses aren't getting closer to your face, kind of like you feel in a Oculus Quest 2. It's just tightening the top, and it's these really soft pads that grip your head nicely. I feel really sturdy. And power button here, 2 seconds, I believe, is the hold. There we go, it's powering up. Up on the top here, we got our lens scroll to change the distance between the lenses. I think. Kind of a sticky one to control. Let's see maybe if I really like the feel of the headset though. Let's see. Oh, strange. Okay, having it off. Oh, interesting. No, okay, so this scroll on the top here actually controls, I don't know how much you can see it there, it controls that front face, making it closer or farther away. Okay, so good to know. And then I guess it's just inside, you grab the inside of the lenses, and as you can push them together or pull them apart. All right, let's tighten that on. Oh, that feels really nice. All right, and controllers, it's nice so you can see out the bottom. Obviously, in a VR game, I would like to have it completely blocked out. But let's try that here. Blockers. And got our right side. Looks like you should just clip on easily. It looks like, but maybe not so easily. All right, we'll figure those out later. But initial impression of the unboxing, like I said, I'll play around with it now. But initial impression, this feels amazing on my head. The field of view is decent. I I would say it's pretty similar to other headsets on the market. I'm not noticing like a huge difference. The quality looks amazing for a Oculus headset. Looks really good. Let's power these on. There we go. Nice rumble in the controllers. The head fit just feels incredible. Very happy with that. I'm not seeing the controllers yet. Let's see. And yeah, in general, feels great, and I'm excited to play around with it. I will be playing around with it now to make kind of a first impression. See, oh, there's my controllers. Took a second to load up, probably the first time. There we go. Oh, the rumble pack inside of the controllers feels great. All right, well, I'm gonna go through the setup now, and I will get back to you with kind of my first impressions with the headset. But overall, as always, kind of like the Oculus or Meta packaging, like I said, similar to Apple, and the headset looks great, feels amazing on my head. I'm really happy with the feel, especially with not having a top head mount or head strap. Controllers, great weight. Really like the rumble pack inside of them. Feels really high end. And excited to just play around with the headset some more. So get back to you soon. The Meta Quest Pro.